Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
डेव्हलपमेंट जाता जाता ज्या मांद्र्यान ताची सुरवात जाल्ली त्याच मांद्र्यान हेजी व्हडली यश शूटिंग अकॅडमी जाल्ली आसा आनी आमचो गोवा टुरिजम डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन बीइंग अ चेअरमॅन ऑफ दीस GTDC हांव तुमकां उमेदीन सांगूंक दिसता की जे गोष्टी आमकां सेंट्रलाच्यो मेळटात आनी प्रामुख्यान शूटिंग अकॅडमी खातीर मेळटात ताचें सिलेक्शनय जाल्ल्या खरेंच येदे व्हडली जागा पयलीं दिसनासली डेव्हलप केली बऱ्या गोष्टी खातीर केली बरें दिसलें बरी गोष्ट घडून हाडली आमदार येनातन आय कॅन अश्योर यू वन थिंग इट्स अ गुड थिंग good for my youth, good for my people of Goa. I am not considering only of Mandrem.
त्याच्या पयलीं स्पोर्ट्सान आमचे भुरगे फुडें येवपाक सोदिनासले आनी आमचे पालकूय जे आपल्या भुरग्याक फक्त इस्कॉलान बरे पैकी मार्क घेवन बरे ग्रॅज्युएट जावप डबल ग्रॅज्युएट जावप हांच्या फाटल्यानूच रावताले पूण आयज भारत देश हो स्पोर्ट्साच्या हितून फुडें वयता.
Project was conceived way back in 2016-17. Arminio and the team, the earlier managing committee, worked upon an estimate which got sanctioned by the Ministry of Culture in Delhi. And that estimate was 5.4 crores of rupees for the entire refurbishment, the modernization of this program. And in time, this project also, costs have increased and the final project cost moved to about 7.4 crores rupees.
With the roofing, it was the heights and the difficulty to operate at that heights was a condition of some of the principal trusses which had got eaten up with white ants, at the support points. We were working with a lot of new materials. So understanding these materials, working with these materials, finding ways to bring the materials into the country, were also difficult.
The museum is open for all visitors from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. That is from Sunday to Sunday. So every day of the week we are open. And besides enjoying the museum experience, we also have a shop which has souvenirs for sale. So